Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, on this video we are going to be making raspberry cookies. So guys, over here are all my ingredients, very easy and simple to follow. Over here I have some flour, some sugar, butter, baking powder, and so on. So guys, we are going to start by mixing it. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the right button that says subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So we are going to start by adding our sugar into our bowl. This is going to be our mixing bowl. We're going to add the sugar in there. So the next one is adding my butter into it. So I'm going to leave the measurement at my description box, or I can also leave it in the screen for you guys to see that. See you, the good Lord bless you. Or see you guys on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and bye bye.